Meet Emily. Like many of us, Emily juggles work, family, and her personal life. But despite her best efforts, she's constantly battling fatigue, struggling to concentrate, and feeling like she's running on empty. Night after night, Emily's restlessness paints a picture of her battle for sleep. But what she didn't know is that it's not just about the hours spent in bed. It's the quality of those hours that matter. So here's the science behind it all. Our bodies go through several sleep cycles each night, crucial for physical repair and mental restoration. Disrupt these cycles, and you disrupt your health, diminishing your lifespan bit by bit. It was then Emily had her aha moment. With the help of local sleep experts, she actually discovered the culprit behind her tiresome nights and days. It was her mattress. It was neither supporting her body correctly nor aligning her spine, sabotaging her sleep cycles and, in turn, her energy and health. Emily turned to Mattress Central in Fairmont, West Virginia. Their quick, hassle-free comfort testing process designed by their non-commissioned sleep experts solved many of her problems. There, she discovered the importance of a mattress that fits her unique sleep needs. One that cradled her pressure points without compromising support. The local sleep experts asked her the right questions and performed simple tests, like checking for proper spine alignment and ensuring her pressure points were relieved. Emily found a mattress that was just right. It was a game changer. The transformation in her life was night and day. Rested, rejuvenated, and full of energy, Emily now faces her days head-on. All thanks to realizing the pivotal role her mattress played in her sleep health. Like Emily, many of us overlook the foundation of good sleep, the right mattress. At Mattress Central, we're committed to helping you find your perfect match. Join Emily and the many others who've transformed their sleep at Mattress Central. Visit us today and start your journey towards a life full of energy and good health. It's time to wake up to the importance of our sleep cycles and the right mattress.